In 2016, we built a chatbot demo that turned heads. This chatbot helped customers beyond answering FAQ. It's not just nostalgia, it's a powerful case to rethink how AI agents drive real business impact. Back then, this chat was rules-based built, so traditional AI. In this video, we take this legacy customer flow and redesign it with modern AI agent thinking, grounded in business logic, not just tech, intelligent, context-aware, and deeply aligned to your business goals. Let's see what's changed and what that means for you. Watch closely. A customer contacts their auto parts retailer. The goal? Check if a brake valve is in stock. In this one-to-one chat interface, the AI guides the request using structured prompts. This was traditional AI. Hard-coded, bound to a decision tree, but it worked. Once confirmed, the AI offers an intelligent handover, switching channels from chat to voice to connect with a mechanic. This was already foreshadowing what we now call human-in-the-loop design. The agent recognized the limits of automation and offered a seamless escalation. Now let's pause. In 2025, would we build this flow the same way? Not quite. Today, this entire experience would be built with an AI agent. One capable of understanding intent, pulling real-time stock data, adapting to unstructured input, and learning over time. In short, the same journey redesigned with agentic business logic. In another business tutorial here at our Absolute Value AI YouTube channel, we introduced the ingredients required to design a killer AI agent. When we map this to today's modern AI technology, this flow would include a private enterprise large or small language model that understands the customer's need, no rigid script. Prompting designed by the business team, not just coders. Real-time access to stock systems. Memory to learn from the customer's profile. And of course, the same human-in-the-loop, now redesigned with more context. This is why agentic flows matter. They don't just replace tasks, they rethink how service works. So when you design your next AI solution, don't just copy chatbot logic from the past. Ask yourself, what's the task? Who's the user? What's the right balance between automation and human support? That's how we turn legacy demos into modern AI value. Want to design your own intelligent AI agent? Explore our business tutorials. We guide you from foundational design to full agentic transformation. Like this video if it helped you. It helps us to share more free AI business tutorials. Subscribe if you haven't, and follow along as we upgrade real-world business with practical AI without the hype.